Hello beautifuls, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel depending on who you are. So once upon a time I was on this website, and then there was like a link on this website that said something like things on Amazon that you didn't know you needed, you never knew you needed, 50 of the highest rated products on Amazon. Oh, when I saw it I instantly was like, don't do it, don't go on that link. You know you're gonna find something that you don't need and you're gonna want to buy it. Don't do it. But of course I clicked on the link. Although I didn't buy anything from that, actually let me take that back. I did buy a couple of things on that website. I bought a few things, maybe like 5 things on that site, but it was all good. Everything I needed. I happened to like most of the stuff that I got on there, so good things for that. But my point is that website led me to finding out about this cleanser that I'm going to talk about today. I was instantly captivated by this product, specifically because it said it had rice water as the main ingredient. And during that time, in case you guys haven't seen it, I made a how to make rice water video, and I was like all into rice water. This was like months ago. So if you haven't seen that, you could click the link above and I show how to make rice water. I'll also leave it in the description box as well. So either click here or here. I haven't gotten this down yet. I'm a little slow. So the link is either here or here. I could easily just like edit this out, but anyways. So yeah, that's what drew me to this product, is that it contained rice water. So I was like, oh my God, how cool. I decided to get this cleanser. And in addition, I bought the cleansing oil because it was a super affordable cleansing oil. Like, if you guys know anything about cleansing oils, they're expensive. They are expensive, especially for one that is effective, one that works. And this cleansing oil had like 4.5 stars off Amazon. It had so many reviews. I was like, I gotta get this. It's made out of rice water. It's a natural product. It claims to work, and it's freaking only $11. So that is why I got this cleanser and this rice water. I hope you guys enjoy that story because, yeah. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing those two products. I'm going to be reviewing the Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser from The Face Shop, as well as the cleansing oil. So I'm going to be reviewing these two products for you today. I'm first going to go over the product description, what it claims to do, prices, all that jazz. Then I'm going to share with you guys my own review of the products, the good and the bad. And then yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. So yeah, anyways, if you guys at any point enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let me know if you guys liked it, just so I know how I'm doing. You know, you don't need to subscribe right now, but you could if you just, you know, want to be nice and kind like that. Or you could just continue watching, and if you find that you enjoyed it, again, make sure to subscribe. So let's get into this video. So now both of these products are pretty much the same. They contain the same ingredients for the most part, just one is an oil and one is a cleanser. So as I'm describing this product, it's going to be almost identical to the cleansing oil. So this is the cleanser. Now I'm gonna go over what it claims to do. So if I'm not like looking directly into the camera, it's because I'm looking at my notes. It is made with all natural ingredients like rice water. So going with ingredients, this one does contain all natural and organic ingredients that are meant to help remove those impurities in your skin, like the dirt and debris and stubborn makeup. So another thing that it claims to do is brighten up the skin, hence it is called Rice Water Bright. It also is meant to be very nourishing for your skin, so it's supposed to be a very moisturizing and add a lot of moisture back into the skin. It also says that it is meant for dry skin. It works really well with dry skin. That's what it claims to do. It's supposed to make your skin soft and supple. And lastly, it's supposed to even out your skin tone. So even out skin tone and brighten kind of go hand in hand. And also anytime it says like clearer, brighter skin, a lot of times that's like evening out your skin tone. And then also this is a good product for sensitive skin. That's what it claims, that it is good for sensitive skin. It's not supposed to irritate your skin. It's supposed to be a very gentle, mild cleanser. Now, first of all, First of all, the packaging. The packaging. Just look at this. Okay, so anyways, this is pretty much claims to do all those other things. This is even lighter. So this is a light cleansing oil. They also have a normal cleansing oil that's a bit heavier. So this one is a light one, meaning it's really good for sensitive skin. It's very gentle on your skin. It's not going to have this like overly greasy feeling, but it pretty much claims to do what the cleanser is going to do. So it's supposed to brighten your skin, you know, even out the skin tone, and it contains all natural ingredients. And essentially a cleansing oil, in case you guys are not familiar with cleansing oils, is that it's supposed to work a little bit better than a cleanser. This one's really good for removing makeup, but if you aren't wearing makeup, a lot of people, especially like this is a Korean thing, it's called a double cleansing method. So you go in with the cleansing oil first and then you go in with the cleanser, and that's called a double cleansing method. And pretty much the idea behind it is that you're getting an even deeper cleanse. It's clearing up your skin more. It's going to make you look more youthful. So again, it's very popular in like Korean tradition. I personally don't do this, but I just don't. I mainly use cleansing oils to effectively help remove stubborn makeup. For the cleanser, this one is a great price at $15, and then the cleansing oil is even cheaper at like $11.50. Both of these you can find on Amazon. And before I even begin into the pros and cons, like if you can't afford a lot of money on good, you know, all natural cleansers, go for these two, because for the price point, these two are really great products. Lastly, before I get into my own review, I want to clarify what both of these products do. Again, these both contain all natural and organic ingredients. So I'm going to list three ingredients that they contain, and I'm going to try to explain what each ingredient does. So the rice water is like an ancient beauty secret, especially in Asia. It's very popular. From my research, it was very popular in Japan. People just used rice water. They would soak in rice water. They would soak their whole bodies in rice water pretty much, and that would help them to just have better skin, better hair. It's full of vitamins. Some of the vitamins that it has, I gotta read this because I don't memorize this, but it has the vitamins A, B, and E. What those vitamins do, I don't know. I do think that vitamin E oil is kind of similar to your natural skin's oil. I'm pretty sure it's vitamin. It is vitamin E. So that's all I know about vitamin E. I don't really know about vitamin A and B. Oh, and also if you don't know what rice water is basically just the rice that has been the water that wait, this is hard to explain. Okay, wait. It is the water that the rice has been soaked in. I have made a video on how to make rice water, so click the link up above, or I'll also put it in the description box, and you can make your own rice water. You can use the rice water for toner, for bathing. You could use it for a lot of different things. So again, if you'd like to know how to make it, just click the link. But rice water, basically, you just take some rice, you soak it in water, you let it ferment overnight, you remove the rice, and you take that water residue, and that's your rice water. You're welcome. It also contains moringa oil, which moringa oil claims to be full of antioxidants. It's a healthy oil that purifies skin cells by removing dirt and makeup. So that's moringa oil, which is in the cleanser. And then it also contains soapwort, which acts as a gentle cleanser for sensitive skin. So again, these two claim to be for sensitive skin. Now to the good part. I'm going to go ahead with my personal opinions of these products. So I'm just going to try to, like, what first comes to my head, I'm going to try to go over. So with the cleanser, I have used this for probably a year now. I hope you guys, can you hear that scratching? I hope not. Yeah, but I've used this for about a year now. Have I used it consistently? No, and I'll explain why. But first, let me go over the pros of this product. Price point, excellent. If you are a newbie to skincare, if you just don't want to spend a lot of money on skincare, you don't have a lot of crazy skincare concerns, go ahead and buy this. It's a good product. It's a great price. It's a good in-between cleanser. When you run out of your really good cleanser, go for this one until you can go and get your other good cleanser again. The reason why I love this cleanser though is because it is brightening. It does clear up my complexion. It does brighten my complexion. It claims to do that, and I really enjoy that. If you guys know me by now, when it comes to skincare, one of my favorite things about skincare is whether or not it's brightening up my complexion. I love to have a bright and clear complexion, and you will get that with this product. Now, the reasons why I didn't gravitate towards this and use it all the time is because for the simple, it's not better than my Shiseido. It's not better than higher end Korean, Japanese skincare brands. It's $15, and it's almost like it deserves to be $15, especially for Korean and Asian skincare. When it comes to Asian skincare, like, you can get something for $10 and it'll still be a good product. Whereas in America, you can get something for $10 and it's like, it almost doesn't work. But you don't get that when it comes to, like, especially Japanese skincare. Like, what you get is gonna work. It's just, if you pay $10, it's gonna be a $10 product. If you pay $100, it's gonna be a $100 product. So that's it. Like, I'd much rather just use my Shiseido. It's also very gentle, and I personally like things that are heavier. I feel like my skin is just very strong. It can handle a lot. It is like the complete opposite of sensitive. So because of that, if I use products that are just too gentle, I don't feel like I'm getting enough. Like, I really want like a thicker cream. I want a thicker cream. I want it to like punch me in my face kind of thing. I don't know. I hope that makes sense to you guys. So with this cleanser, it was just a little bit too gentle for my skin. But because of that, I think it truly will work well if you have sensitive skin. Now, another reason why I don't like this product is that it's actually drying. It says it's meant for dry skin, but that ain't true. If you have oily skin, I think you will really like this product. So when it's summertime, I'm gonna bust this out and use this often because my face tends to get oily. But now that we are coming to winter, I'm gonna probably not use this as often because it does dry out my skin. And that was one of the reasons why I didn't like it so much in the beginning, is because it dried out my skin, and it does make your skin feel a little bit tighter, which I heard that products are not supposed to make your skin feel tight. Well, cleansers are not supposed to make your skin feel tight. That means that it's not that good for your skin because it's really drying it out. Even after applying the toner and the moisturizer, my face, why am I coughing? Do I have water? I don't even have water. I wasn't expecting to cough like this. There always has to be something that just interferes with the video. Why am I coughing right now? Okay, anyways. Woo! What was I saying? So yeah, it is drying. Okay, it is drying on the skin. So even after toner and after moisturizer, it is drying. But I would recommend this if you have oily skin. So with that said, I think it's a good product for those who have oily, sensitive skin. Maybe even combination skin, you can get away with this. Kind of like me, like sometimes I get oily, sometimes I get dry. So nonetheless, it's a good cleanser to have, even if you're interested in it. It's only $15. You're not losing a lot of money if you don't like it. But the chances, I feel like the chances of you not liking it is going to be rare. It's going to only be if you have extremely dry skin, then you're most likely not going to like this. But if you have normal, combination, oily, you're going to find something to like in this product. Whether or not you like that it brightens out your skin, helps control your oil, or that it is made out of all natural ingredients and very gentle on your skin, you'll find a reason to like it. And again, I think the packaging is pretty cute too. So the next product is the cleansing oil. Now, I'm not going to say that either one is better than the other. I think they both work pretty well. The cleanser, it does effectively remove dirt, debris, and makeup. The only thing with that and this one is that if you have really stubborn makeup, if you have like waterproof eyeliner or mascara, it's not going to get it off. Like, and that's kind of the standard thing that I've noticed with a lot of cleansers, is that you're going to need an extra step. And usually that extra step for me is a cleansing oil. But this one, I think it's just because this is a light cleansing oil, that for that reason, it's not effectively removing everything. Like, it'll remove the powders, the blushes, the lipstick, especially if you go in with a face brush, but it's not going to remove like really stubborn mascara and eyeliner, so just be aware of that. If you're using it for a double cleansing, I think it's really great. It's also light, so it probably like, I feel like you can really go a long way with this product because it is light. But again, I just prefer things that are more heavy on the skin, so I kind of prefer like the thicker oils. This one is a really light, gentle oil. So again, if you have sensitive skin, I think you're really going to enjoy this. Again, it has really cute packaging. I think that with these products, I would really recommend it for younger people with younger skin, and especially for those with sensitive skin, because it is so gentle when you're younger. You might not have a lot of skincare concerns like aging and you needing moisture and all that. So it'll be nice to have. You're still, you know, getting a good cleanse without having to pay a lot of money. And it's also, again, really good for sensitive skin. And also the fact that it is so affordable, I think that also makes it really good if you are the younger crowd and you wear makeup and you just want to effectively remove your makeup, or even get a double cleanse. So another cleansing oil that I really love is the DHC cleansing oil, but that one is expensive. I think it's like over $20 for a full-size bottle. That one just like removes all your makeup. And then of course, if I use makeup wipes, I'll link my makeup wipes and I'll link the DHC down below. Those effectively remove my makeup, so I just need to use that, and then I go in with a cleanser. But when it comes to this one, if I have stubborn makeup, I usually have to go in with a third step, and that'll be like a makeup remover. And they actually do sell that. They have a whole set where they have the makeup remover, this, and the cleanser. So if that's how you want to do it, go ahead and purchase that. I highly recommend it. But if not, you can just go ahead and individually buy like the DHC oil or the cleansing wipes, and then buy these two, and it makes a perfect combo for effectively removing all your makeup. And that's pretty much what my review is for these two products. I do want to warn you guys that if you have extremely sensitive skin, to make sure you test this product. I don't know how you guys test the product out, whether it's on the back of your hand or a little part of your skin. Just make sure you test it out if you have really sensitive skin, because I have heard from a few people that it did cause like pimples on their cheeks. And it was a very small amount, but a very small amount of people said that, yeah, it did irritate their skin. So again, just make sure to test it. But again, this product is meant for sensitive skin. The product feels so light and gentle on your skin. And what else can I say about these two products? Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this review. If you would like any more insight onto these products, if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments below. And again, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see more videos like this. And yeah, I'll see you guys on another video. Bye! I hope to see you in another video.